What is up, YouTube? It's your girl OrlandoQponQueen, and how are you guys? I feel like I haven't filmed in like a week. I think it's been a week. I've been busy trying to plan for Vegas, which is coming up next week. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Anyways, we are at Walmart. I'm gonna show you guys what to be looking out for. There's a lot of dental care that's gonna be on clearance. I saw one store was super cheap with their dental stuff, so let's see what's at this store. And yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and make sure you guys are notified for my future videos. But yeah, let's see what we can find. The dental section is completely like cleared out here, which is weird because this store, it was like about 50% off, so a lot of people already bought it at 50% off, so it is what it is. Anyways, this crib here, it's not a bad buy. It was $200 and now it's on clearance for $50. Again, remember that usually this month is when they do a lot of baby clearance, so this store looks like their baby clearance might be a lot lower than other stores that I've been to. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It's the Little Seeds, little metal gray 3-in-1 crib. It's super adorable, honestly. But no babies. Ah, I almost fell. Here is the barcode for that. So you guys can check the stores. With the barcode, I know everybody asks what can you do with the barcode. With the barcode, you can scan it with your phone. So let's say you're watching this like either on a TV or iPad or whatever. Scan it with your phone and then you guys can find the SKU number that way and then check it on Brickseek. I'll show you guys a little how-to here on the screen. So the employee is putting these out now, but these are only $1. There's boys and then there's little girls, but there's none in the sizes that I need, which is unfortunate, but for you guys to check. Here is the barcode here for these. There's different designs and characters, so it might be a little bit hard to find. And then we have these over here, the Reebok Boxers. Again, too big for my nephew, but these are also $1. Great find. Looks like this store actually did their like furniture section for their clearance, so this one here, I don't know what the normal price for it. I think it's like $75. I know it's not more than $100. This one's on clearance for $50. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. It's like a side storage desk. And then the barcode for that one is right over here. Over here also, it was $89. And this is like a bed frame. I don't understand why I always talk to y'all like if I'm trying to sell it, like, hey, look, come buy it. But yeah, $50 for that one. I wish it was a queen size because I desperately need one. Anyways, here is a barcode for that. Then another great find that I wish that I seen like last week or 2 weeks ago, because I really desperately need this for my Starbucks cups. If you guys know about my Starbucks collection, it is ginormic, but this is a 5-shelf bookcase and it's only $28. My husband said just to buy it anyways, just in case, which I might, but I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna put it at. I don't know if I'll even build it. I'll probably just save it for like a house or whatever. But here is the barcode for that one. Then walking over here, these I've seen them lower. They're going little by little lower, but this one I forgot what the regular price is for this one. I think it's like $220 and now it is $169. Here is the barcode for that. This one, $75. It is the TV console with the little sliding door. Super cute, especially if your house is like farmhouse themed. I find it really cute. Here is the barcode for that one. Then this one, I actually have one just like it. Well, similar to it. My daughter said it's a little bit different because these parts right here are a little bit different. This one's super cute as well, and it is actually $42. I know this one retails to like $100 because the one that I bought was like about $100. And here is the barcode for that. This one over here, I actually did see it on Brickseek. It shows $75. I know it was, I think, a little bit more expensive, I think, during back to school season. And then it dropped to $75. And now it is actually $50. Super cute, white with a little drawer. And here is the barcode for that. Another one that I found on clearance were these 9-cube organizers. So it shows $42, but when you scan it with the Walmart app, it's actually $29. And the white and the brown one is also included. Well, this is black, not brown, but white and black, super cute. Here's a barcode for the black one. And here is the barcode for the white one. Did I say white in the beginning? I said black. White. Over over by our very favorite section. We have a couple great finds. I'm seeing some stuff here and there that are kind of worth it. So these here, the activity chair set and table, it's blue clues, comes with 2 chairs and the table. These are retail to $40 and it's actually on clearance for $10. $10 for these. And I've seen these various locations, but I could never find them because people beat me to it. So here is the barcode for that one. Another great find that also retails to like about $30 or like $35. It's this little Minnie Mouse Playland thing. $10 for that one. Like I said, it retails to like about $33, and it looks like all these markdowns were done today. So I came at a perfect day. I came at a perfect day for that one. Here is the barcode for the Minnie Mouse one. Some random toys that are being clearance down, which honestly it's kind of like not worth it at this location. I actually saw that for like $7 and it's $11 here. Other items, like I said, my opinion, it's not worth it. We do have a vacuum over here. This vacuum, I think it's a Shark one. Is it Shark? It is corded though, or Eureka. I'm not sure. You can't see from here. Oh yes. Okay, so it's Eureka. And it retails to $100 and it's on clearance for $75. Here's the barcode for that one. These I've seen a lot. So if you're in the Central Florida area, I've seen these a lot, and almost all the stores were like $75. They've just been lingering there. So honestly, I would kind of like wait for it a little bit until like $50 maybe, unless you really need it. Alrighty, y'all, so I am leaving with just that. I only bought this only because, like I said, for my Starbucks cups, I was thinking about using it for that. Maybe, I don't know if I'm gonna build it where I live at now, but yeah. Anyways, make sure you guys are checking your Walmarts for furniture being on clearance, deodorant, and baby clearance. Those are like the top 3 departments that are like really super low. Also, you guys be mindful on the price increases. This is your time to shop wisely. Don't be like shy and spend your money like crazy. No, I'm just kidding. Make sure you guys are shopping wisely. Definitely stock up now if you do find things on clearance. I'm gonna try my hardest to start posting more couponing deals, only because I am noticing a lot of the things that I normally buy are being increased in prices. So yeah, I'm not to scare y'all, but make sure you guys are mindful about that. But yeah, if you guys are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I don't know if this is going to be my last video before I go to Vegas. I'm trying to at least film 2 or 3 more videos before I leave to Vegas. But yeah, and then definitely check out my Vegas vlog that will be coming up after when I come back. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of sponsorships going on during that trip. So I'm very excited. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.